Hi, Jeremy. What's the matter with you? You're clearly not feeling well. So you have the hiccups and don't know how to get rid of it? Have you tried holding your breath? Drinking water? Holding your breath and swallow at the same time? Okay, then I only have one more advice. Let's drive to Amber at the hospital. She'll know what to do. Hi, Amber. Hi, baby Amber. You really love to have this place nice and tidy, don't you? Great. Amber, you've got a new patient. Jeremy here has a severe case of hiccups. Amber, have you ever treated hiccups before? I agree, Amber. Let's give it a shot. Where shall we start? Good idea, Amber. Let's make sure he doesn't have a temperature. Nope, no fever. What's the next step to cure this stubborn hiccups? So you think something in his throat may cause the hiccups? Well, let's check it. Not that either. I wonder what it could be then. Have you come up with something, Amber? So you want to try a cough syrup just to be sure? Well, coughing and hiccuping are somewhat similar. Let's try it. Wait a bit, baby Amber. I'm sure the examination is over soon. There. Did it work? Aw, poor Jeremy. All this work and no luck. At least you won't get a cough now. What's that sound? What is that? Baby Amber, you sure did scare us. That's right, baby Amber. You can't go around scaring Amber's patients. And besides, what's that, Jeremy? That's right. You're not hiccuping anymore. So you knew that the best way to cure hiccups is to scare the patient? Well, you sure did, baby Amber. Amber says she's sorry for yelling at you. She didn't know you had the solution to the problem. Anyway, you solved the mysterious case. Well done, both of you. Are you back again? Seems like Jeremy has something for you, baby Amber. Aw, that's so nice of you, Jeremy. He wants to thank you for curing him, baby Amber. Great work, Amber and baby Amber. Bye, everybody. See you soon. Hey, it's Katie. Are you racing someone, Katie? You're seeing if you can beat your best time? I can help. On your marks, get set, go. Well done, Katie. That was a new record. Are you okay, Katie? Maybe you've pushed yourself too far. Let's go and see Amber and see if she can make you feel better. Hey, Amber and baby Amber. Katie the kid car is here to see you. She was doing speed laps around the racetrack and doesn't feel so good. Can you help her? You can? That's great. What are you going to do first, Amber?
Mama,
You going to take Katie's temperature? Stick your tongue out, Katie, so Amber can use the thermometer. Katie is cold? Amber says that is because Katie drove too fast for too long and is now exhausted. Have you got anything to make her feel better? What's that? A blanket to help Katie warm up? What are you doing, baby Amber? You're seeing how fast you can drive like Katie? You're in a hospital, not a race course. Feeling warmer now, Katie? What's next, Amber?
Mama,
Some salt water to help hydrate Katie? All that racing must have made her thirsty. Amber says you need to go home and rest and drink some salt water. You'll feel better in no time. Awesome job, Amber. Thank you for your help. Remember to get a candy as you go, Katie. The sugar will give you some energy back. Hey, Katie. Are you feeling all better now? That's great. Katie says she wants to take baby Amber to the racetrack so they can race together. Is that okay with you, Amber? You can go, baby Amber. Looks like baby Amber is off already. Well done, Amber. See you next time. Hi there, Joe. Are you taking those cans to the landfill? The wind seems to be picking up. Uh-oh, it's taking the cans every which way. Oh, good. Here comes Troy. Maybe he can help. Troy, we need to pick up this mess. Any ideas? Good thinking. Teddy always has a fun solution. Let's go talk to him. Hey, Teddy. Joe, the Navy train, had a spill on the way to the landfill. Troy wants to help him out. Do you have any ideas? All right, let's do it. Wow, you're all set to recycle those cans, Troy.
Uh-oh.
Let's go help Joe.
Oh.
Hey, Joe, check out what Teddy did. He made Troy into a recycling train so he can help you with this mess.
Oh.
All right, Troy,
Oh.
why don't you use your new magnets to gather all the cans?
Da-da.
Great job. What will you do with all of them now, Troy? That's a great idea.
Ah.
Boy, it's hot in there. Wow, that looks just like Joe. What a fun way to reuse all those cans, Troy.
Oh.
Wow, Joe, you're smiling.
Oh.
Have fun finding the statue a home, guys.
Oh.
See you next time, friends. Hi, Troy. What a windy day.
Oh. Oh.
Look, Troy, there's Susie. Oh no, the wind just sent Susie flying into that falling apart building.
Oh. Oh, 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 oh.
Let's go, Susie. The building is about to collapse. You need to get out of there. Uh-oh, Troy. Susie can't start her car. You're right, Troy. We need to head to the warehouse and find a vehicle that can help.
Oh.
Hurry, Troy. Hey, Teddy, Troy's here. Shall we go downstairs and see what he wants? Susie is stuck in a building that is about to collapse and crush her. Can you help? An excavator? That's perfect. Thanks, Teddy. Troy, let's unpack the special vehicle right away.
Oh.
Hi, excavator. What's your name? Edgar? Well, Edgar, we have a big job for you. Susie is stuck in a building that's about to collapse on her. Can you help save her? Great. Susie, this is Edgar. He's here to help. Edgar's going to help you get out before the building collapses. What do we do now, Edgar? Susie, are you able to turn your wheels? Good. You'll be able to steer your wheels when Edgar is trying to pull you out. Are you clearing a path to get Susie? Awesome. But be careful, Edgar. Removing any of the snow and debris could bring the building down faster. Stay strong, Susie. You'll be free in no time. Oh, no!
Oh.
Are you okay, Susie? Hurry, Edgar. There's not much time. Wow, Edgar. Way to go. There you are, Susie. Edgar is almost there. Ready, Susie? Turn your wheels straight, Susie. Edgar will pull you out. Excellent. Hurry, Edgar. Wow, just in time. Thanks for helping Susie, Edgar. Be safe going home, Susie. Thanks, Troy. See you next time. Bye, friends.
Hi, Ethan. Are you playing with that orange cat?
Oh.
The cat went through that green bush, Ethan. Look, Ethan. She went past that red lamppost.
Oh.
Can you see the orange cat, Ethan? Look, Ethan, the cat is on the blue bridge. Ethan, the cat went through the purple gate.
Ah.
Wrong gate, Ethan. This one is blue. The cat went through the purple gate. Look, Ethan, the cat jumped onto your back. Looks like all that running really tired her out. We did chase her through a green bush, past a red lamppost, over the blue bridge, and through the purple fence. That was a lot of fun. See you soon, my friend.
Hi, guys. Ooh, a party. Looks like fun. Hey, Joe is bringing pizza for everyone. Ooh, that's so nice. Uh-oh, Joe. Look out. I know you're upset, Joe, but it's just a pizza. We'll find a solution. Say, Troy, can you build a new vehicle who can help? Excellent. Let's go meet our new friend. Hey, Teddy, we need a lot of pizza for a party. Do you have any vehicles that can help? That's great news. Let's get started. Which one should we build? How about this? How about this one? Excellent. Okay, Troy, let's get back to the party. Hey everyone, we're back, and we brought someone who can help. Don't be grumpy, Joe. We'll all be eating soon. Let's unload the pieces first. Ooh, it's a pizzaiolo. Perfect. That's odd. What's the problem? Are we missing something? Of course. He needs his pizza slice. That's it. Hi there. We're happy to meet you. What's your name, pizzaiolo? Carlo? Welcome to Car City. Troy,
Oh,
Carlo can make pizzas.
oh, oh,
Carlo,
Huh?
we have a job for you.
Huh?
Can you help?
Mm-hmm.
Great. Let's get cooking.
Mm.
Yum. You're right. That pizza looks delicious.
oh.
Huh? Mm. Huh?
Pineapple.
Oh.
How did you know that was Joe's favorite?
Oh.
You've really saved the party. Well done, Carlo.
Mm.
You did good work today too, Troy.
Oh,
See you next time.
oh.
Bye, friends. Hey there, filling up? Say, Ethan, aren't you late for your job at the construction site? Wait, you forgot. Oh no. Ugh, what a mess. What are we going to do? Don't feel bad. It was an accident, Ethan. Great idea, Susie. Super Truck will help us with this disaster. Send him the signal. Ooh.
Oh.
Look, Carl, it's the fireworks signal. You'd better hurry. Super Truck is needed.
What?
Whoa! Wow, Carl, look at you. You're a tanker truck. Thank goodness you're here. There was a fuel spill, and we don't know what to do. Turning the pump off.
Whoa.
Ah, great idea, Super Truck. Now, Ethan, can you scatter the sand in your bed onto the fuel?
What?
Great work. The sand will soak up the fuel so it stops spreading. Now what? Of course, your hose. You can use it to suck up the sand. Very clever. Let's see it. Wow, it's all gone. But what will you do with all the sand? Ah, great idea. You'll have to dispose of that mess safely at the construction site. See you later. Great work, Super Truck. You saved the day yet again. Hey, you're right. I don't know where Super Truck went. Goodbye, Susie. Goodbye, friends. See you soon. Tyler, what on earth are you doing? You've ruined Harvey's flowers, and it's the Car City Flower Show today. He's going to be really angry. Oh no. Tyler, hey wait! Come back here. Uh-oh. Harvey? There's something we need to tell you. That naughty Tyler busted up all your flowers. We know, it's the Car City Flower Show this afternoon, and you've been working so hard. What's that? You thought of something? You're going to call Super Truck for help? Great idea. Hey, Carl, Harvey needs your help. It's nearly time for the flower show, but Tyler has ruined all of his flowers. You come quickly? You can? Great. This one? No? Okay, let's keep looking.
Oh.
Wow, you look awesome. Ready, Carl? I mean, Super Truck. Let's go. Harvey, look. Here's Super Truck. You see the problem, Super Truck? Can you help Harvey get his flowers back together? What shall we do first? Water the flowers and see if we can bring them back to life? Great job, Super Truck. What else can we do? Feed the flowers with plant food? That looks much better, Super Truck. But do you think that's good enough to win the flower show? Wow. Great job, Super Truck. Let's hurry to the flower show, quick.
Hey!
Well done, Harvey. You deserve it.
Yay! Yoop-de-doo!
Great job, Super Truck. You really saved the day. See you next time.
Hi, Ethan. How are you?
Wow!
Would you like to play a caterpillar game and learn numbers with us? Great! Let's play. Go to the center of the garden, Ethan. Take these numbered segments and stack them on the caterpillar moving through the garden. Look closely, Ethan. Around the garden. Do you see the caterpillar? Stack the number 1 segment on the caterpillar. Way to go, Ethan! The caterpillar has 1 segment. Let's stack another segment on the caterpillar until he's complete.
Yoo-hoo!
Find the caterpillar, Ethan. He's beneath the flower. Stack the number 2 segment on the caterpillar. The caterpillar now has 2 segments. Let's stack another segment on the caterpillar. I think the caterpillar is hiding. He's beneath another flower. Stack the number 3 segment on the caterpillar. The caterpillar has 3 segments. Let's stack another segment on the caterpillar.
Yoo-hoo!
Great job, Ethan! He's on the bush. Stack the number 4 segment on the caterpillar. The caterpillar has 4 segments. Let's stack the last segment on the caterpillar, Ethan.
Yoo-hoo!
The caterpillar is almost complete. Stack the number 5 segment on the caterpillar. Way to go, Ethan! The caterpillar has 5 segments.
Yoo-hoo!
You've learned so many numbers.
Money, my money.
Would you like to sum up? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. We had so much fun today. See you next time, my friend. Hi, Ethan. Are you having fun playing in heaps of leaves?
Yahoo!
Awesome.
You.
What's going on, Ethan?
Oh.
Ah, you're wondering what color are these leaves? Do you see any similar colors nearby that can help you? That's right, Ethan. Those leaves are of the same color as your body. It's yellow.
Yoo-hoo!
So you wonder about this color as well? Let's see if we can find it the way we just did. Does anything have the same color nearby? That's right, Ethan. The leaves have the same color as your bed. And your bed is red. What now, Ethan? More colors? Oh, are the leaves still in the tree?
Yoo-hoo!
Now you know the trick, Ethan. Let's see if you can solve this by yourself. You got it, Ethan?
Wow!
Perfect, Ethan. You are right. The grass is green, and so are the leaves in the trees. Well done. Let's go over it once again to make sure we remember, right?
Yahoo!
These leaves are yellow, just like your body. Good. And those leaves, what color are they? Red, like your bed. That's right. And finally, Ethan, what color are the leaves in the trees? Perfect, Ethan. They are green, just like the grass. Well done, Ethan. You've managed to learn 3 new colors today.
Yahoo!
You really deserve to play longer in the leaves. Goodbye, Ethan. Have fun.
Hey, Penny. I see you're enjoying the beautiful sunny weather. Whoa, nice trick. What's wrong? Is that Bobby? Looks like Bobby is out fishing. What's that noise? Hey, Bobby, better wake up. The tide is taking you to sea. It's no good. He's fast asleep. And look, up ahead. Bobby's going to hit them. Oh no, this is bad. Bobby is still asleep and will soon sink. Of course. Super truck. Quick, Penny, quick. Poor Bobby is floated out to sea and hit some rocks. If he doesn't get help soon, he will sink. You're going to have to transform into something that moves fast across the water. Any ideas? There goes a real hero. Guys, I think you should... Sorry, guys. Bobby is in urgent danger. There's no time to lose. Super Truck will need some help with this one. Will you guys get Tom the tow truck? Well done, Super Truck. You found Bobby. He's sleeping through the entire thing. Well done, Penny. You better get home before you run out of fuel. That will stop Bobby from filling up with water and getting too heavy to tow. There's the tow truck. Hey, Bobby. You've just been rescued by Super Truck. Thanks, Super Truck. Tom can take it from here. But I guess that's another story. Bye-bye, everybody. Hey, Matt. It's the perfect night for stargazing.
Woohoo! Woohoo!
Wow! In space, the sun can be even brighter than it is here on planet Earth, so he wears sunshades to protect his eyes. Where's Rocky? It's a UFO with aliens inside. Rocky must have become scared and flown away. There he is. He's out of fuel. He will be lost in space forever. Great idea, Matt. This looks like a job for Super Truck. Hey, Carl. Rocky got scared by some aliens, is out of fuel, and is about to become lost in space forever. I guess there's only one thing that can catch a rocket, and that's another rocket. Wow, you're a super rocket.
Oh, Bobo.
5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Blast off! Go, Super Truck, go! Keep searching, Super Truck. There are those aliens that Rocky was frightened of. Be careful, Super Truck.
Oh.
So, they were just trying to help Rocky, but he was too afraid to listen. He's flying toward the asteroid belt. If Rocky gets caught in there, he'll be broken to pieces. Don't give up, Super Truck. Oh no, there isn't much time. You got him! Great idea to give him some of your fuel. Now he'll be able to fly back to Earth with you. Come on, Rocky. The rest is up to you. Time to go home. Did you watch all of that through the telescope, Matt? They're almost here. That's right, Matt. Even somebody as experienced as Rocky should take the right provisions with them when going on a trip. Lucky Super Truck was here to save him. Bye-bye, everybody.